Hi guys, guess what time it is? It's time for some more Happy Meal! Hi guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and each month I gather up all of the mail that you guys send to me during a couple of swaps, and then I share them back out so you guys can see all that crafty goodness. So I'm going to go ahead and start with these. This first group is from the swap that we did Christmas in July at Crafting with Debbie. That's our Facebook group. And the first card that I have is from Miss Marianne Bennetts. It's the first time that I've had the pleasure of swapping with her, so let's see what she sent to me. I can already tell that there is a sequin or something in there. Yes, there is. This is so pretty. So she did basically, this is some glitter cardstock or glitter paper, and then she layered up some die cuts and added some Wink of Stella or some Spectrum Noir shimmer, and then added a cute little sentiment there. And I love the plaid paper. You did an awesome job on this. So thank you so much, Marianne. I love that. Oh, I just noticed that the whole backing was done with that pattern paper. That is just so pretty. Thank you, ma'am. And then the next one we have is from Miss Elizabeth Costa Rogers. We all love hers. So let's see what Elizabeth sent to me this time. And she gave me an extra envelope. Handcrafted by Elizabeth. Oh, it's one of those cute little trucks. I love that. And she gave me a note as well. The color spoke to me and softly said, Debbie. So you may have noticed that the little truck that she did matches my watch. It matches my watch band. So she colored up the truck special for me. That is a super sweet. Thank you so much, Miss Elizabeth. Next, we have something from Miss Jean Marin. Oh, I love that little snowman. Oh my goodness. That is too cute. And I can't tell if it is a digi, if it's stamps, or if it is ink swiping. This is just too cute. What's neat is that since I'm getting all these Christmas cards, I've got some Christmas cards to decorate with when it rolls around. So that's going to be kind of cool. This card is from Miss Camille Ernst. Oh, that is so pretty. We've got baby Jesus and Mary and Joseph and the star. May the true joy of Christmas fill your heart and home. She used Distress Oxides for the background, and feel free to pass this card along. Thank you so much, Miss Camille. And that is a really good job on the blending. I love that. I mean, she's got it nice and glowing in yellow here, and then it goes into the blue, but there's not a lot of the green, because you know we always wind up with that kind of a problem when we blend any kind of yellows in with the blues. I love that. That is just so pretty. So this next one is from Miss Kimberly Dixon. You guys probably remember she was on a live with me recently. Oh, that's cute. She's got her little barn here saying season's greetings. And she put a sticker of a tractor on the inside. That is too cute. Thank you so much, Kim. And we've got Miss Jeannie Ellis. Scrapbooking Mama. Ooh, and so she added a lot. She added dimension on this one. First, we've got some die cuts. Oh, this is cute. So this is an extra. Actually, she put a couple of extras in here. So these are some journaling cards. May you never be too grown up to search the skies on Christmas Eve. And then there's a tree on the back. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. That's perfect sentiment for the front of a card. And then we've got a snowman this way and this way. So that is really, really cool. So Joy at Christmas, she's got some poinsettias that she colored up and added some shimmer to. She's got some glitter cardstock here. And then she's got a die cut that I'm not sure if it looks like glitter paper, and she's got that layered up, and I'm just thinking that is so intricate for a glitter for glitter paper. That's a little difficult to do, but this is just so sweet. May you be blessed with all the happiness your holiday can hold. That is sweet. Thank you so much, Miss Jeannie. Then we've got this one is from Miss Gloria Wolf. And she's got some little wise men here, and she glittered up parts of their crowns. Three's wise, okay. Three's wise men still seek him. And then on the inside it says, 3 wise women would have asked for directions, arrived on time, helped deliver the baby, cleaned the stable, made a casserole, brought practical gifts, and there would be peace on earth. That is hilarious. I love that. Thank you so much, Miss Gloria. And then this one is from Cordelia Alderman. And you see she stamped up the outside of the envelope too. It's covered in ornaments and holly and snowflakes. Oh, that is cute. May your days be merry and bright. She's got striped pattern paper that she created for the background, which is really cool. I used that technique recently on a Spellbinders video, which I never do that, and that is just such a great way to use up your pattern papers. And then she's got some Christmas lights that she put some glossy accents on. That is just adorable. Dreaming of a White Christmas. I thought this card made from scraps was just right for you. Okay, and then she made me an ornament using some scraps too. That is too cute. That needs to go on the front of a card. I like that. That's too cute. Okay, and then we're moving on to the other swap, and this swap was done with Foiling Snobs Club. It's on screen. This first one is Gil Vollrath. I'm hoping I'm saying her name right. The swap for the Foiling Snobs Club this month was Sympathy Thinking of You cards. And here's the first one with Deepest Sympathy. She's got an embossed background, a foil card matting layer, and she also did a foil card matting layer around the emblem here on the front. Plus she added a little ribbon on there as well. That is so sweet. I like that. It's simple, but that texture in the background just makes the card. It looks very, very nice and professional. Next one we've got is Miss Debbie Wilson. I recognize that butterfly. That, I believe, is a butterfly from Catherine Pooler, one of her new releases. And so she's just got them, she's got, where she had colored up the paper, heat embossed in, looks like either gold or rose gold on the butterfly. Did some texture in the background with embossing folder and a strip of powdered paper. It's got a little embossing on it as well. And on the inside, Thinking of You. Nice and sweet and simple. And who doesn't love those butterflies? Next, we've got another card from Miss Gloria Wolf. I lucked out and got to be with her on 2 swaps this month. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. So we've got a pattern paper in the background and that it may be stamped and colored, I'm not sure. But then she's got this focal image on the front that basically matches it, wishing you well. That is too sweet. Thank you so much, Miss Gloria. And then this one is from Star Patrick. And another one with the nice embossing on the back, and looks like she did some shimmer spreads over it. It's got those nice little, I think those embellishments are from Trinity Stamps because I have some. And it says, thinking of you. Just a little prayer that God will keep you in his care. That is too sweet. Thank you so much. And the last card that I have in this group for this month is going to be from Sabrina Camacho. Oh, this looks like it's all hand painted. So where I use stamps, because I don't really draw and paint that well yet, she has got and this one is getting a little bit washed out with my camera. Let me see if I can get that corrected so you guys can see it a little bit better, because this is just too pretty. So it's got this, I can feel all of the brush strokes on here, so it looks like it was probably done with some acrylic paint. And even the circle looks like it was probably done with, you know, with a stencil and acrylic paint. And then she hand painted all of those flowers and says, thinking of you. That is nice. Let me see her note. And she says, please feel free to cover the thinking of you part. My handwriting is not the best. Actually, I like that sentiment. It looks really pretty. So you did a great job on this, Sabrina. Thank you so much. And I want to thank all of the folks that spread these out so you guys can see them again. Thank you guys. Thank all of you for all of these wonderful cards and for swapping with me each month. I absolutely love getting happy mail. I know you guys do too. But more than that, I love sharing all of your wonderful creations with all the folks that happen to watch my channel. And my desk is not big enough for me to show all of the goodness here. They're just all so pretty. I don't really want to cover up any of them. This cracks me up that Elizabeth painted a truck because she notices my my watch color. Thank you guys. I really appreciate all of this, and we already have another swap going on over in my group, Crafting with Debbie. This month we're doing Halloween cards, and you still have time to sign up for that if you'd like to join us in the swaps. I'm also participating in the card conga one for this month, so next month I'm going to be sharing the cards that I received from those lovely ladies. It's been probably a year or two since the last time I swapped with them, so this should be fun. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful day, and be sure to join us over at Crafting with Debbie. We'd love to see what you create, and this is some of what my friends are creating. It is just fantastic how talented all these folks are. Well, you guys have a wonderful day, and remember, if I can make it, you can too.